What's the deal, family, man? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you the realest and rawest reactions from across the globe. Today we got another banger for y'all, man. So look, we got Kurt Lee. Arendse is a freak of nature, brutally aggressive and unbelievably fast rugby beast. Okay, we about to run this one up. Look, if you don't know who Kurt Lee, KLA, is, born June 17th, 1996. He is a South African Springbok player for the South African national team, where his regular position is wing or fullback, and a and he is a rugby union player for the Bulls in the United Rugby Championship. All right, man. Let's get to this. South Africa, okay, yep, been playing for them. He's 5'9.5", 168 pounds. So that's probably the closest player so far that I've seen to me. I'm 5'9", 175 to 180, 175 to 185. It just depends if I'm on my diet and I'm on my cardio or if I'm not. But I'm pretty much 5'9". Right now I'm probably like 180. But I can easily drop to 175, and I can easily go up to 185. So there's probably the closest player to my same physical build. So let's check this out. This is going to be interesting right here, man. Keep sending me more players. Keep sending me more reactions. Also, make sure to go check out my Patreon. A lot of you guys been subscribing lately, so I appreciate all y'all, bro. I only got 6, but like 4 of y'all all came in the last week. So, appreciate all of y'all, man. The ones who's been subscribed for a few months now, appreciate y'all. I've been dropping 2 videos every week on here. It's mostly, the reactions I do on my Patreon are mostly from my other reaction channel. Like, it's more geared towards that. But I don't mind doing more different reactions that are more geared for this channel. I just don't have a lot of y'all subscribed to it. You know what I mean? So, like, y'all gotta let me know. Pull up and then let me know what you want to see, man. So I want to do an All Blacks documentary that I'm kind of lagging on, but it's going to be up over here. So, and the Rugby World Cup reaction is going to be over here. And if I do some Rugby Championship reactions, they will be here because I'm not going to get a strike again. Not worth it. So they will be on here too. Anyways, that's it. Oh, and it's only $1. My bad. It's only $1, man. So if you want to support, man, it's $1. And I will be doing giveaways once I get 100 all the way up to 1,000. So yeah, let's get into this, man. Kurt Lee Arendse. Goosies.
That's what I was talking about in the first half. Just no fear. Why would you do that?
Yeah, like, bro. No. Okay.
Good step. Willemsen's got LaRue inside it. There's Billy LaRue. Arendse on the right.
Skirt.
There goes Arendse.
To the house.
And Arendse gets his 7th try in 7 test matches.
Shouts out to Damian Williams too. I actually did a reaction to Damian Williams, I want to say like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So just make sure you go check that out too, man. Too quick.
Back Dennis Slade on there from Farrell. Stewart, what a tackle that was from Kurt Lee Arendse.
That was nice.
Farrell.
Drove straight, hawked him down.
Lindy repels him. Back Dennis Slade on there from
Get down.
Farrell. Stewart, what a tackle that was from Kurt Lee Arendse.
Quick show and go from
Good pass.
Willemsen,
Oh yeah.
and out it goes to Arendse. Arendse
Got there.
squeezes his way over. What a start!
Oh, pick 6 to the house.
Kurt Lee Arendse takes an awful lot of stopping, and he's not even out of
To the house. Oh yeah, he gone. Oh yeah, he gone. He almost got sat down though.
Behind Smith and intercepted by quickly Arendse. This is another simple stroll in for the Bulls.
Too easy, too easy. Now Pimpy. Good pass.
Daly's pass is a good one, long pass.
Oh, pick 6 to the house.
Arendse will go all the way.
Interceptions all day.
First game of the Euro season.
Still there. Shouts out to Lucanio. Nice kick.
Overcooked. Hussein is away.
Oh yeah, he's right there. He's running with him. He running with him. Gone. Gone. Get off me. Get up off me. Would y'all compare it to Cheslin Kobe? Or like a Brian Habana? I feel like he's more like a Cheslin Kobe. It could be the hat though. But I feel like he's more like a Cheslin Kobe though. Let me know in the comments how you feel about that. If Cheslin Kobe is a 10, what is Kurt Lee? Is he an 8? He a 9? He a 7? He a 6 in comparison? Or is he the 10 and Cheslin Kobe really like the 9 or the 8? You know what I mean? Let me know how you feel about that. Get at me in the comments. Oh, look at Abby. Good dump off.
He knows he possesses liver. Throws it out to Khaleesi. On to Arendse. Here's a 2-on-1. Capuzzo in 2 minds. Arendse's going for the hat-trick. Is he? No. It's inside to Reinach.
He's fast, man. He's fast.
Lolloping his way into contact. Low out the back door to Arendse.
Ooh, good step.
What a sight. Contact. Low out the back door
He
to
said,
Arendse.
Uchi, Wally, Uchi, bang, bang.
What a sidestep.
Bro,
Low
come
out
on.
the back door to Arendse.
Uchi, Wally, Uchi, bang.
What a sidestep from Arendse.
Come on, man. Skippity bop bop. Skippity bop bop. God. Look, even he was smiling on that one. That was nice.
Quickly Arendse opens up for Arendse. Chasing on down hard and Arendse's down. Arendse
Oh my God.
opens up for Arendse. Chasing.
Oh my God. He turned him around. He should have played the outside. You already got bro on the inside. You should have played the out. You trying to force him? I know they be look at y'all be saying, "Oh yeah, this the 11th man on the field or the 16th man or whatever you want to call it. This the out of bounds line is the extra defense." But every time I say they should have forced him inside, the extra defenses, man, he ain't there. He ain't there. You see how bruh's getting turned around? He ain't got no chance. You should have forced him in.
On down hard and Arendse's down. Arendse opens up for Arendse.
And you got all these other dudes. I mean, like, not that they got a chance really, but
Chasing on down hard and Arendse's down.
bro got left.
We've spoken about him. He's brought something special.
The way he faked him out thinking he was going to go in and just... Should have played the out, buddy. Almost ran into your own dude.
This is the sort of position in which he can hurt teams.
Oh.
Fabiani gets him at the second time of asking.
He ain't afraid to take contact. Oh, pick 6 to the house! Go! He can walk. He can walk this one.
And he doesn't even have to execute.
He could have walked.
To
Man, bro could have called his grandma. He could have went to the store to pick up some blunt wraps. Man, he could have rolled a joint. He could have went to go to the bar to go take some shots or something, man. He could have did whatever, man. He had plenty of time. He could have walked. He could have read a novel. He had all the time in the world to get that one. Referee decided to get a workout in real quick. He was like, let me get my little workout in real quick while we over here waiting for him to score this try, man. Cause ain't nobody nowhere in sight.
Ravon. Chris Dry, two-handed tap back to Selvin Davids.
Oh.
And the blitz.
Look at the soul brother go. Look at the soul brother go. Boom. Boom! Look at Soul Brother. Man, he was Soul Brother before he put the cap on, man. He a real Soul Brother. Brother Soul. That's me. That's me.
He has to do. Sanata gives chase. Brilliant from Kirkley Arendse. Chased by Diamani. That's a high tackle.
Woo, split the defense. He don't even got a step like that. He's just so quick.
Arendse, brilliant take by Arendse. Superb stuff. He looks like Cheslin Colby. He moves like Cheslin Colby.
You heard the announcer? He even moves like Cheslin Colby. He don't got his steps. Cheslin Colby's steps is crazy. I don't see him having the same steps as Cheslin Colby or agility, but he's just as quick. He might even be faster. That's why I compared him to Brian Habana too, because Brian Habana is super fast. I don't know if this dude is as fast as Habana, but I think he's faster than Cheslin Colby. And I think he got better steps than Habana, maybe. But his steps ain't Cheslin Colby steps. So, y'all let me know how you feel about it. But he definitely more of the size, and he reminds me more of Cheslin Colby rather than Brian Habana. But, yeah. That could just be his build, too. Is that in 7?
That's that offside. Here come the Bulls. Mapu, lovely hands to Arendse, who's jinking and jiving and sending Papier under the posts.
There's the ball now. Tangwe, Stain, Foster, Mapu, Arendse, the dip. Whoa!
He's there.
What a finish.
That was it, man. Curtly Arendse is a freak of nature, brutally aggressive, and unbelievably fast rugby beast, man. Yeah, he's definitely fast. He definitely He ain't scared of the contact. Definitely quick, man. Interesting to see a player that's my build, because I'm fast, too. I'm not going to lie. I mean, I still think I'm fast. I might not be as fast as I was when I played sports for real, but when I play football and stuff. But I think I'm fast. And I would say I'm bigger than him naturally, so I'd be more on the hard-nosed, bigger side, I guess. But he's quick, though, and it's interesting. It's interesting to see, how he plays within rugby, because rugby got some big-ass players, man. Big-ass players. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed that. Y'all know what to do. Send me more videos to react to. Get at me on Twitter, Instagram, all that. Go subscribe to the Patreon. Run me up over there. Be on the lookout for giveaways. And that's it. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Remember to keep it real. Rules, rare, bro. Always reaches everyone. Next time. Peace.